You've had a very busy summer. You've got IPL, you've got WTC prep, and then you've got Spider-Man dubbing. How did you balance all of it?
I mean, busy is the way of life, isn't it? It's been a busy year for me, but I think I don't really consider practicing and playing as busy because that's something that I've grown up with. That's something that I've been doing my whole life, and it actually charges me up. But it's been a busy year, and it's gonna get busier with the WTC and the World Cup coming this year, and it's gonna be a really fun and exciting year for me.
As we spoke, that this summer you've been like a superhero on field. You've got the orange cap and you've been ruling the IPL. What are your thoughts on how this season has been for you and owning the orange cap?
I so It's been great, very fortunate, and thank the universe. But every time, like today, when I woke up, I just had this feeling like the job is not done yet. So that is my every time I perform, I do well, and I wake up next morning, I just have this feeling that the job is not done yet. Maybe once the IPL finishes, it would be like, oh, WTC is still there. Once WTC is over, then you'd feel like, oh shit, Asia Cup is there. Once Asia Cup is over, you'd be like, shit, like World Cup is there. So there's always like something that in my mind I look forward to and be like the job is not done yet. But it's been a great year so far for me, and I'm really fortunate and really happy for that.